Welcome to our training Estimate Core Selling and FBA Fees. At Amazon, we calculate certain selling and fulfilled by Amazon or FBA fees individually. We do this to help reflect the range of products sold and the different ways sellers use various services and programs. We offer several ways to help you estimate fees for a product in your inventory. They can also help you estimate margins and profits. There are 3 different ways to estimate fees available in Seller Central: the estimated fee per unit sold column on the FBA inventory page, the revenue calculator, and the fee preview report. We also offer a product fees API through our selling partner API service. Let's review how each of these tools works. The first place you can view estimated fees is the estimated fee per unit sold column, which appears on the FBA inventory dashboard. This column provides a simple way to preview core selling and FBA fees for a product you already sell in the Amazon store. To access this tool from the main menu in Seller Central, select Inventory, then FBA Inventory. Then, locate the product you'd like a fee estimate for. In the Estimated Fee Per Unit Sold column, you'll see a total fee estimate, followed by an FBA fee estimate if you have Amazon fulfill the item. Click and Estimate to open the Revenue Calculator pop-up, which allows you to view fee and cost estimates specific to that product. The FBA inventory page also gives you access to a number of reports. Performance reports, metrics, and recommendations help you maintain a balanced inventory level, mitigate your risk of surcharges, and keep your most popular products in stock. Refer to the top of the page for additional FBA inventory tools and resources. To get there, open the Seller Central main menu. Hover over Inventory and select FBA Inventory. An example of a fee you could encounter due to an unbalanced inventory level is the low inventory level fee. It applies to standard-sized products with consistently low inventory relative to customer demand. It's based on a historical days of supply metric, which we calculate based on your average daily inventory units divided by your average daily shipped units. The fee will apply when your long-term historical days of supply, the last 90 days, and short-term historical days of supply, the last 30 days, are both below 28 days. It's charged at the time the order is fulfilled. Review the Low Inventory Level Fee help page in Seller Central for more information on the fee structure, rates, and exemptions. You can monitor a metric called Minimum Inventory Level, or MIL, to help ensure you're keeping enough inventory in stock to meet customer demand. Your MIL is the recommended number of units you should keep in stock for each of your FBA products. It's based on our forecast of customer demand and an assessment of your inventory replenishment settings, and updated weekly to reflect the latest demand for your product. Your MIL categorizes each of your ASIN's on-hand inventory levels as low, healthy, or excess based on information like your demand forecast, volatility, and lead times. When you keep your in-stock inventory above your MIL, you help ensure customers can receive their orders quickly and with confidence. You also help reduce your risk of paying additional fees, such as the low inventory level fee. We recommend you ensure your next inbound shipment reaches Amazon fulfillment centers before your on-hand inventory drops below your MIL. Return to the FBA inventory page in Seller Central to check the recommended MIL for your products. Locate the inventory level column to reference your current sellable on-hand inventory and the number of units we recommend you keep in stock. Restock recommendations include specific ship-by dates and replenishment quantities for your next incoming shipment. We'll update your MIL weekly, or more often if we receive new information on your product's demand forecasts or replenishment settings. Refer to the Minimum Inventory Level section of the FBA Inventory Overview help page for more information and FAQ. You can also review the Guide to FBA Fulfillment Costs and Related Fees on Seller University to learn more about how inventory health and capacity planning can help you reduce your fees and costs. The next tool, the Revenue Calculator, allows you to estimate and compare fees, profits, and margins for a product by fulfillment method. You can search and select different products, view fulfillment fee and monthly inventory storage fee estimates, and compare what you might pay when using your own fulfillment method versus using FBA. To access the tool, you can click on the Estimated Fee per Unit Sold column on the FBA Inventory dashboard to view fee and cost estimates specific to each product. You can also access the calculator by searching Revenue Calculator in Seller Central. This is useful for items that aren't yet part of your inventory. You'll then search for the product in the Amazon catalog using an ASIN, SKU, product ID, or product name. Or you can define a product by providing packaging dimensions, selecting a category type, and entering item and shipping charges. With a product located or defined, you can then review and adjust fields in the Amazon Fulfillment and Your Fulfillment sections to calculate and recalculate the estimated fees, profits, and margins for a sale, comparing each fulfillment method. You can adjust the sales price for each method individually and the shipping charge for a seller-fulfilled estimate. For a product that's already in your catalog, we will auto-populate the price and shipping charge. If you select a product you do not sell, we will populate the price and shipping charges based on the featured offer. You can review a summary of estimated Amazon selling fees, which will be the same for each fulfillment method. You can also review and adjust estimated FBA fees, selecting additional services, and entering an average cost for shipping a unit to Amazon. And you can enter average amounts for your own fulfillment costs. Directly below those fields, you can estimate inbound placement service fees for your FBA shipments. Fees will be based on your selected shipment split and your shipping region. To learn more about how inbound placement service fees are calculated, you can visit the Inbound Placement Service Fee Help page, which is linked in this section of the Revenue Calculator. Finally, you can enter and adjust any other costs associated with each fulfillment method. We include a separate field for cost of goods sold. As you adjust items in the Revenue Calculator, use the updated amounts at the bottom to understand their impact on your estimated fees, profits, and margins. You can also adjust your estimated sales volume to understand how your profits might scale. Compare the fees, profit, and margin for each fulfillment method to help you decide which might be best for your business. You can also utilize the graphing option to visualize the comparison between two programs by clicking on the comparison graph in rightmost column of the Revenue Calculator. When estimating fees for a typical shipment containing multiple products, you can use the Estimate in Bulk feature in the Revenue Calculator. This allows you to choose your existing products, products sold on Amazon, or add new products to get a more accurate estimate of total fees for your shipments. Before you use the Revenue Calculator, we recommend reviewing the list of estimated fees it includes, as well the list of fees it doesn't include. You can find both on the Revenue Calculator Help page. Like the bulk estimate tool in the Revenue Calculator, the final way to view fee estimates in Seller Central is a report you can use to review information from multiple products at once. The Fee Preview report allows you to estimate core selling and FBA fees for your current FBA inventory. You can also use it to estimate upcoming fee changes on your seller-fulfilled and FBA offers. To download the report, hover over Reports in the main menu and click Fulfillment. On the Amazon Fulfillment Reports page, scroll down to the Payments section in the list on the left-hand side and click Fee Preview. Using the buttons at the top, select CSV or TXT as your file type. Identify the date range for the report you'd like to run and then click the Download button. After opening the file, you'll see a row for each product. The first set of columns identifies products using IDs and product information. The next set contains pricing details and product dimensions. And the last set contains estimated fee information, including a fee total and core selling and FBA fees. Use the report to understand fees for an individual product, to compare fees across products, or to monitor any fee changes over time. Use the other reports in the Payments section for additional fee insights. For example, any inventory that's been in a fulfillment center for more than 180 days will be subject to long-term storage fees in the U.S. You can use the Recommended Removal Report to determine which items are subject to these fees up to 30 days before each charge date. If you prefer to use an external technology to estimate fees, you or your developer can use Amazon's Product Fees API, which we offer through our Selling Partner API service, or SP API. Information and directions for using the Product Fees API is available in the SP API Developer Guide. From the SP API homepage, scroll down to the Product Fees API section and click the reference link. This API offers sellers and their developers programmatic access to fee estimate information. This concludes our training on estimating core selling and FBA fees. We encourage you to try each tool we've reviewed to find out which works best for your business. Next, complete the Review Fees You've Paid video in Seller University. Thank you, and happy selling in the Amazon store.